Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can use sudo commands. And let me tell you, sudo commands are very helpful if especially if you are a Linux user. So as you can see, I am it's a Mac theme, so yeah, it's a Linux, but I'm using a Mac theme. So yeah, first of all you're going to go to terminal. It's a very easy thing. I can just finish this video in 1 minute or so, but yeah, if you need explanation, it can take a minute or two. So you're going to type sudo basically means super user do. I can show you a picture. This is what it means. So it gives you privileges to do super task which a root user can only do. So it will ask for the password. It can, or no one can only just go type sudo and it will work. So yeah, you need your password. So you're going to use sudo apt, means application package, and then hyphen get means fetch, and then install. And after this you're going to type the application name you need, which will be, in my case, Audacity, because that's the only app I don't have right now. You're going to press enter. It's going to ask me for my password. Yeah, then you can see it works. Then it's gonna ask me if you want to continue or not. After this process you can't undo it, so it will just gonna grab the packages and install it for me. So yeah, it shouldn't take much time. Unpacking Audacity, and yeah, it's taking a little bit time, but yeah, there you go. It has been installed, and now we're gonna check it. Audacity, there you go. I have Audacity on my Linux. So yeah, that's it. It's not very difficult task. Just type sudo get apt-get install. This whole code is same for everything. Just change this with the package you want, with the application you want, and it will work. So thanks for watching, guys.